If 1/3 times 9 minus 6x is equal to 5 minus 2x, what is the value of x? So first we can simplify this out of an equation by multiplying out 1/3. We get 3 minus 2x is equal to 5 minus 2x. You can see a similar term, negative 2x on each side, so we can cancel. And we get 3 is equal to 5. And that's not true, so D, this equation has no solutions, is our answer. Question 2. How much greater than n minus 11 is n plus 3? So we can just cancel out the n's here because they're the same on each side. And then how much greater is 3 than negative 11? Well, 3 is 14 greater than a negative 11 because negative 11 plus 14 is equal to 3. So we can choose D. Question 10. If x is equal to 10, what is the value of x over 2 plus x over 20 plus x over 200? So we can substitute 10 for x, so we get 10 over 2, which is plus 10 over 20 plus 10 over 200. Now we can simplify this one to 1 over 2 and this one to 1 over 20. So 10 over 2 is just 5. 5 plus 1 half. So 5 plus 1 half plus 1/20th. And then we add them all together, we get 5 and 11/20. That's our answer. Question 6. 2 3/5 of a number is equal to negative 26. What's the number? Alright, we can write this as an equation. 2 3/5 of a number, so we can just put a variable x, is equal to negative 26. To get rid of this 2 3/5, we can divide each side by 2 3/5 to get that x is equal to negative 10, so we can choose B. Alright, if 4 minus 7x is 5 less than 23, what is the value of 3x? So we can write 4 minus 7x is equal to 5 less than 23, that's 18. Then we can take out rid of 4 on each side, we subtract 4. So we get this negative 7x on its own, and 18 minus 4, that's equal to 14. So negative 7x is equal to 14. To get rid of the negative 7, we can divide each side by negative 7. To get x is equal to negative 14 minus divided by negative 7, which is just negative 2. And they're asking for 3x. So 3 times negative 2, which is negative 6. So we can choose C.
If I back it up, is it fat enough? When I throw it back, is it fast enough? If I speed it up, can you handle that? You ain't ready for this work, now watch me. Don't get that.
Alright, question 1. If 5 over 6x is equal to 4 over 5, what is the value of x? Alright, we just want to get the x on its own on one side, and to do that, we need to remove this 5 over 6. And to do that, we can multiply each side by 6 over 5. So 6 over 5 times 5 over 6x. 5 over 6x, not x, is equal to 4 over 5 times 6 over 5. So this cancels out the 5 over 6 on the x, so we get x is equal to 4 over 5 times 6 over 5, which is 24, because 4 times 6 is 24, over 25. So that's the same as C. The percent of 12 is 8. Alright, how do you solve this problem? What you want to do is put 8 over 12, and that's how you find its percent. So 8 over 12, we simplify that to 4 over 6, which you can simplify to 2 over 3, and that's just equal to 66.6, repeating forever, percent, so we can choose B. Question 5. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression shown above? Alright, our first step here is just distribute this 3 to the x. Alright, so we can distribute it to each of these, and if you're multiplying with exponents, it's the same as adding, so we get 3 to the 2x plus 3 to the 2x plus 3 to the 2x, because we're just adding x to each of these. Then there's obviously 3 of these terms, so instead we can write this as 3 times 3 to the 2x. And again, if you multiply, this is just the same as 3 to the first. So 3 to the first times 3 to the 2x is equal to 3 to the 2x plus 1. So we can choose D.